Shaking Cover Girls. In today's video, we're going to be talking about dental real estate and in particular, dental leases. So in commercial real estate, there are a number of different lease packages that are out there. You can do gross leases, single net, double net, triple net. There's a lot of ways to get creative with different types of lease structures. But here at Lad Dental Group, the properties that we own are triple net properties. So, and when we say triple net, we are talking about net expenses of maintenance, property taxes, and property insurance. Those are still covered by the tenant in a triple net lease. If you're a gross lease, all of those expenses are going to be on the landlord. But if you're in a triple net lease, those expenses are on the tenant. So in terms of expenses like snow removal, lawn care, those fund maintenance things, that is covered in what are called CAM fees, common area maintenance fees. So historically, you'll see about $2 to $4 per square foot per year of an aggregate kind of CAM fee, but that is what you'll see on a triple net lease. There will be CAM fees associated. If you're signing a gross lease, there will not be CAM fees. And if you're signing a gross lease, your landlord is actually paying for the utilities, property taxes, all of that stuff, but your rent per square foot is going to be significantly higher to cover those costs. So comment down below with what you guys are curious about. But if you're a landlord with a triple net lease, really you are required for the exterior of the building. So parking lots, when that needs to be resealed or re-asphalted, that's on the landlord. And when there's issues with the roof also falls under the landlord. Outside of that, in a triple net lease, almost all other expenses fall onto the tenant. From there, double net or single net, those are just again going to be net one of those three expenses for the landlord. So, and then the gross lease, all expenses are on the landlord, but the tenant's going to be paying a lot more price per square foot. So comment down below, let me know what your lease structure is like or what you're interested in learning more about. The other topic that really plays in heavy in terms of commercial real estate from a kind of verbiage standpoint in concept understanding is cap rates. So cap rates are really important to understand if you are looking at potentially getting into the commercial real estate space. Price per square foot, cap rates, and understanding how interest rates play through into this industry is also really important. Last concept is your net operating income. Net operating income, cap rates, and interest rates are some of the biggest metrics in the space. So comment down below. Hope you guys have a great day.